Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. I am Uttara and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make paneer in Bengali style with poppy seeds and mustard seeds. So let's start. For that we need poppy seeds, mustard seeds, ginger paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, oil, cashew nuts, cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, dry red chili, coriander leaves, green chili, tomato. Paneer cut into cubes or as you want. Potato cut into same size or you can skip potato. And water as required. Now make a smooth paste of cashew nuts and poppy seeds. Also make a smooth paste of mustard seeds and green chilies. And make a smooth paste of tomato. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the paneer and fry the paneer until the color turn into nice and brown from both the sides. Take it out in a bowl. Then follow the same process to fry the potatoes. Take it out in a bowl. Heat the same pan and add a little bit of oil. Now add cardamom, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, bay leaf and dry red chili. Stir all these things for 15 to 20 seconds. Now add the ginger paste and you have to stir it until the raw flavor goes. Now in a small bowl take the turmeric and red chili powder and make a smooth paste by adding a little water. Then add it into the pan. Now stir it for 10 seconds and add a little bit of water. Mix it well. After that, add the potatoes. Now give it a good mix. Now cover and cook it until the potatoes are half boiled. You have to stir in between. Once the potatoes are half boiled, add the tomato paste. Mix it well. Then cover and cook it until the potatoes are 90 to 95% cooked. Stir it in between. Now you can see the oil is getting separated from the spices. So the spices is all ready. Now add the mustard seed and green chili paste. Mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the salt as per taste. Mix it well and cook for another 1 minute. And after 1 minute, add a little bit of water and again cook it for 1 more minute. After that, add the paneer into it. Mix it well. Add the paste of cashew nuts and poppy seeds that made earlier. Mix it well and add water however you want the consistency to be. Mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes. Now, after 2 minutes, turn off the heat. Add the coriander leaves and mix it well. Then cover it for 1 minute. Now the paneer is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite dish. I will try to make as simple as I can.